Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix no sound after Windows 11 update. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your laptop or desktop sound is not coming after updating your Windows 11, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first step is just click on this search, then type here services. Click on the services. In this, you need to find Windows Audio. Just select any one of these service, then press W key. Here you will find Windows Audio. Double click on that. You can see a startup type. Make sure it is selected as automatic. Then click on start. The services status should be running. Click on apply. Then click OK. After that, just right click on this Windows Audio. Then restart the service. After doing this, close this window. In tray icon, you can see a speaker icon. In tray, you will see speaker icon. Right click on that. Then click on sound setting. After that, if you are using multiple speaker, your external speaker or laptop speaker, you need to select your speaker from here. After selecting the speaker, make sure the volume slider should be to the higher end. After that, still you are facing the issue, then close this window. Then click on this search, then type your device manager. Click on the device manager. In this, you need to click on sound, video and game controllers. Double click on that. You can see here high definition audio. You have to right click on this. Click on update driver. Then click on browse my computer for the drivers. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers. Here you need to select your driver. Then click on next. Then click on finish. After doing this, you have to restart your PC and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do? You have to just right click on that. Then click on uninstall device. After uninstalling device, then restart your computer. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix no audio after Windows 11 update. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.